Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a plan with me featuring GemsDesignStudio. I don't think this shop is still open. I actually got this kit earlier this year. I won the Epic Planner giveaway and I was given shop credit to 25 awesome shops, and this is the kit that I decided to pick up with my shop credit. This kit, y'all, is so freaking full of stickers. I had so many stickers left over. I could actually do another full spread in my Erin Condren. The only thing that I didn't have left over were the full boxes because I used them all. I think I had like one left over. But we're going to get started with placing my bottom washi down. I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching my Plan With Me videos. And if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and hit that subscription button. I try to upload 2 videos a week. And I'm going to start switching it up. Maybe do some flip throughs and some haul videos for you guys as well. Excuse the band-aid on my finger. I burned myself and it looks really nasty. So I know you guys didn't want to see that. But I'm starting my sidebar off with the quote header. And the quote header says, "Always believe that something wonderful is about to happen." And I thought this quote fit perfectly for this kit because it's very fairy tale-ish. It has like the Beauty and the Beast flower. It has unicorns, hot air balloons. Thought it was perfect. I put a piece of washi down, then I put a habit tracker, another piece of washi, and then this week header to mark some happy moments that I had this week. Y'all, I'm still struggling with the sidebar, but we're going to figure it out. We're going to figure out what we're going to do with it. I start Monday off by placing down a Every Minute a Story beanie to mark Coffee Monday, of course. And then after that, I used an appointment label to mark that I needed to pick my son up from my grandmother's house, and the little cars from Moonlight Paper Co. I totally forgot to put down my date covers, so I'm about to do that now. My kids were home, and it was just so crazy. I kept having to stop recording and, take care of them, and my son wanted me to put on YouTube videos for him, so I was just like, I just want to record. Like, can mommy record for like an hour and then I'm all yours? But anyways, all the shops that I mentioned, I will have them linked in the description box below. If you have any questions, please let me know and I will answer them for you guys. I also am placing down my page flags. Oh, and sorry about this lighting too. I don't know what's going on with my camera. It gets bright, then it gets dark, then it gets bright. So again, I apologize because it's annoying. It's annoying me right now. But anyways, back to Monday. I placed the full box down, and this is the full box with like the little Beauty and the Beast flower. I used the phone icon from the kit to mark that I needed to call an insurance company. I had filed a claim like a couple of weeks ago and I hadn't heard anything, so I was just trying to figure out what the heck was going on with my claim. I used a half box to mark that I had recently got a personal planner from Hobby Lobby, and I was going to set it up to see if I liked it because I need something that's a little more mobile that I can take with me to places. Spoiler alert, I hated it, so I ended up getting a traveler's notebook. This panda that I'm writing Sleep Early on is from Planner Pixie Co. Then for Tuesday, I start by placing a today header down. My dad had a doctor's appointment that day, so I used a half box to mark the doctor's appointment and a little beanie from Every Minute a Story. After that, we stopped by the bank, and the bill icon is from the kit. Then we went to Family Dollar. My dad has this obsession with this candy that can only be found at Family Dollar. So literally every, week or two, I have to go by Family Dollar and pick up this candy from him because he is obsessed. And you can't find it anywhere else. It's crazy. The shopping basket is from the kit. Me and my daughter did a kind of mommy-daughter lunch date that day. And I used this lunch date label from Stick With Me shop to mark that. I placed my full box down next. And then underneath that, I had an assignment due for school. And so I just wrote that on a quarter box, and I used a Peekaboo Panda with a little pencil, and he has his little glasses on, from Stick With Me Shop. Up to Wednesday, I start by using an appointment label to mark that I slept in that day. And the little sleeping unicorn in the bed is from Planner Pixie Co. I moved back down to Tuesday because I forgot to mark that I needed to clean the shower, or remember to clean the shower that day. And so I used a quarter box, and I used a tiara from Pumpkin Paper Co. to mark that. After that, I placed my full box down for Wednesday, and I used a half box on top of the full box to mark that my son had a field trip that day. And the little school bus is from Jackie Plans. It actually had some script attached to it that said field trip, but I just cut it off and cut around the school bus. I placed a piece of washi down to mark that I took a nap, and the little emoji is from Coffee Monster Co. I put a page flag down to mark laundry day. I needed to get some laundry day. Look, I cannot talk in these plan with me's. That's why I don't like doing voiceovers, because I get so caught up and then I record them over and over and over, and it's crazy. Anyways, I used a nail polish icon from the kit to mark that I needed to paint my nails because they were looking pretty raggedy. Then I used a quarter box to mark that after I picked my son up, I took him back to my grandmother's house. The car is from Moonlight Paper Co. And then we did what we do every Wednesday night. We watched Handmaid's Tale, and the TV icon is from the kit. I start Thursday off with the little headers from the kit. Then I had to stop by the post office because I had some happy mail. So I went by the post office and picked that up. Then I placed a piece of washi down to mark that I did have to go to work. The work stethoscope sticker is from Plan to Plan. After that, I was trying to figure out how I was going to mark that I needed to finish my defensive driving. I told you guys in the last video that I got a ticket and I had to take defensive driving. And of course, I waited to the last minute because it was due Saturday of this week. So I used a tiara from Pumpkin Paper Co. And she's kind of running, like rushing, because I'm so last minute and I procrastinate, and it's horrible. I need to do better with my life, clearly. But I got it done. I placed the full box down because I knew that's where I wanted it to go. Then I used a Once More with Love munchkin that was on the phone to note that I needed to call the court just to make sure I did it in time so I would get credit for it so I wouldn't have to pay. But they were like, as long as it's done before the 30th, you're good. After work, we went and worked out with, I went and worked out with one of my friends. We just went walking around one of the parks that's close here. It's like a 3-mile walk. It's a really nice walk though. I start Friday off by placing a full box down, and then I use a half box to mark that it's my nephew and my brother's birthday. So it's actually my sister's son, not my brother's son, but it's so weird that, you know, they were born on the same day. It's crazy. But the balloon is from Moonlight Paper Co. Then I moved back up to the full box to mark that I had to work again, and the nurse emoji is from Coffee Monster Co. After that, I used a page flag to mark that I had to pick my husband up from the airport. He was on a trip for work, and I missed him so much. So I was so happy he came home. And the little car emoji is from Coffee Monster Co. as well. Then once we got home, we didn't do anything but kind of Netflix and chill. So I used the Netflix and binge sticker from the kit just to mark that, because we were both really, really tired. Then I had some school stuff that I needed to do. So while we were Netflix and chilling, I was supposed to be doing school stuff. But clearly, as you'll see, I didn't get anything done. Well, I read a little bit, but really I didn't get anything done. I need to stop waiting to the last minute to do stuff. That's a problem that I have that we're going to have to work on. I placed for the weekend, I put a piece of washi down, and then I layered the weekend banner over it. So Saturday was kind of like a date day for me and my husband, because I hadn't seen him all week and I really, really missed him. So we kind of spent the day together, which was really fun. That morning we woke up, we went and had brunch. And the breakfast beanie is from Every Minute a Story. Then after that, we stopped by Target. And we were supposed to pick up a few things, but ended up with like a whole basket full of stuff, as I do every time I go to Target. Do any of y'all have that problem? Like, you can't just go in Target and get one thing. You always come out with like 15 other things that you didn't even go in Target for. It's crazy. The Target sticker is from Plan to Plan. Then we went to grab some ice cream at this place called Marble Slab. And the ice cream sticker is from Pip Stick's subscription box, or a subscription sticker envelope or box that you get every month. It comes with tons of stickers. It's so awesome. Then my son had a haircut, and the little scissors and comb sticker is from Plan to Plan. I started Sunday off with a page flag and a shopping basket from the kit to mark that I had to do some grocery shopping for the next week. Then I placed the full box down. This full box is so cute. It has like little unicorns floating with like hot air balloons attached to their backs. I thought that was just so cute. After I came back from grocery shopping, the house needed to be cleaned. So I was deciding how I was going to mark that, but I ended up just placing this little girl down from Stick With Me Chim to mark that, you know, we had like a house clean day. Then my sister came over with my nieces, and we decided to go to the pool and have some fun. And so the little pool girl is from Ramona Plans. Underneath that, I marked that we went to visit my dad after we were done with the pool. And I used a house icon from the kit. And then my sister cooked these bomb-ass chicken tacos. And that's what we had for dinner that night. So I'm zooming out so I can show you guys the full spread, and also show you all the freaking stickers I had left over. Like I said, it was crazy how many stickers came in this kit. So I'll probably use this kit for a spread in my TN. And I've been making these little planner clips. So I made some that coordinate with this kit perfectly. And here they are. They're just little flowers that I made. And I just felt like they went with the kit like so perfect. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Check out my Instagram, Elysian Sticker Co. And I will see you guys at the next video. Bye.